Want to get into mountain travel for tomorrow, for Saturday, December the 27th, and what you can expect. First of all, before I say anything else, general rule of thumb if you're driving to or from the mountains on Saturday, the earlier the better. As we get later on through the day, we're going to see that snow kind of work its way on in from the north and the west. As it does so, we will see some bands, some locally heavier snow along and north of I-70. In particular, Rabbit Ears Pass is going to be a tricky spot. That's where we could see maybe a foot and a half of snow out of the storm system. A lot of that's going to pile up during the afternoon hours and to the early evening. So again, general rule, if you got to go, especially over Rabbit Ears, I would say do that as early as possible. On Saturday, Berthoud Pass, Vale Pass, especially in the afternoon after about 3, 4 o'clock, those areas will start to really go downhill. Maybe a little earlier for us at Vale Pass. And the tunnels, I think tomorrow night after dark is going to be a pretty rough go for much of the high country. The good news is, by the time you wake up on Sunday morning, December the 28th, we're going to have a lot of that needed fresh powder for us in the mountains, the ski resorts. Talked about this a million times. Really, really struggling. Boy, do we need a big snow. We'll get at least some snow. This isn't going to put really even much of a dent in these snowfall deficits there in the mountains, but we'll take it. A widespread 4 to 10 inches of snow across most of the I-70 corridor. And as you get north by Steamboat, Winter Park, maybe some spots here talking about some double-digit snowfall totals out of the storm. So we'll take it, but we need a lot more in this.